You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these words, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing vocabulary that many get wrong in English, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you enjoy learning. Reverend is how it is said. Reverend in American English, it is normally pronounced rather similarly as Reverend, Reverend in American English, or Reverend in British English. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.